In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile on the mobile app. Whether you're curious about who's checking out your professional background or you simply want to keep track of your profile visibility for career growth, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn app and go to your profile section. Once you're there, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner and give it a tap. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. As soon as the menu slides out, you'll notice a section right under your name that shows insights about who viewed your profile. Next, click on the option labeled Profile Viewers. You'll see several options that help you understand your audience and explore who's been visiting your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn account, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, and check your privacy settings so you can view full insights. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've opened the Profile Viewers page, you'll see detailed information along with helpful filters. After that, you should be able to adjust the time range. By default, it shows the last 90 days, but you can switch to 360 days if you want to see your full year of activity. It's also a good idea to try out the filter options like narrowing results by companies, locations, or other preferences. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps you understand exactly who's checking your profile. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile on the mobile app easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier? Before you go, remember that staying active on LinkedIn can really boost your visibility, so make sure to keep your profile updated and engaging. If you enjoy learning simple tech tips like this and want more useful guides in the future, keep an eye out for more videos. Your support means a lot, and it motivates me to bring even more helpful content your way. Thanks again for tuning in. See you in the next video.